What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna make a garbage truck. My name is How Much Lego, and yeah, we're gonna make a garbage truck. This is what you need: 4 2x1 bricks. It's like a 2x1, one with a hook, whatever color. A window, steering wheel. Comment down below what this is called. 3 of them and a white one. Accessories, if you want accessories. I've got 200 money. Comment down below if you know this like airplane thing. A character. 6x4 plates, 2 of them. A 4x4 plate. A 6x2 brick plate. 2 wheels. A 4x2 one with a wheels. Now let's get started building. Alright. So now you need to get this and the 6x2 brick, whatever color, and a 4x4 plate. So now you put 2 of them. Well, the white thing on the bottom of the 2 ones. So now there's like 2 bits. 4 bits on each side. Then you need one of the 2x1 brick at the front. Then you start building it like this. And then you bring the white one with the hook right on top of like that. So that's the part you need to do. And then you need to put the steering wheel onto there, like over there. Then you get the window, whatever color, and then you go like that. So that's, and then you need whatever this is called, comment down below, and put it right where the start at the front, like that. Alright, then now you need to bring a 6x4 plate. Connect it right on top of there. Okay. Then you need this. And then you have to have it like outside, like that. And you keep stacking it around and stuff. Like that. Then you bring this on top. Well, first you put your accessories, if you want some accessories. Then you put it in here. And then you put this, the 6x4 plate, the other one. It broke. How did that broke? Now that's a bit strange. Ortodima. Yeah, that is Ortodima. It's from Ireland. It means you're gone. Okay. You're here, you're gone. And then you go like that. You put the roof like that, and then you bring the 4x2 plate with the wheels and put on the wheels like that. Well, if you like it, you came to the right person. Well, thank you for watching, people. Thank you. I'm so happy with you guys watching my videos and stuff, and I enjoy you. You guys are lovely. I just wish you're here and you can tell me what. And you can comment down, subscribe, and tell me what you want me to build again. Well, have a great day and don't be bullied and have a nice night.